Hello everyone, welcome to Speak English with George. And for this lesson, I have prepared 16 of the most common and advanced English expressions, especially in American English. If you are an intermediate English speaker or above and you do want to improve your vocabulary, this video might be interesting for you. The first phrase is out of the blue. We use it to describe something as very unexpected or surprising, like she called me out of the blue to say that she was getting married.
Or they show up at your house out of the blue and leave furniture on your porch.
The next one, I'm fed up with it. Feeling extremely frustrated or annoyed about something, like I am fed up with it, with his excuses for being late every time.
I tell you because this whole thing is stupid, and I'm fed up with it. But he doesn't have anything. Not a thing.
The third phrase, I am all ears. When you're trying to listen someone up, paying the full attention, the full scope of attention, you can say, tell me your plans. I'm all ears.
I'm all ears.
The fourth one, that's a good point. For acknowledging someone's good idea or plan or whatever that might be, you can say, that's a good point. He wasn't successful in his last project. That's a good point.
That's a good point. You should focus on that.
The next one, burn bridges. And we use this phrase as an idiom to show that you do not want to ruin a relationship or opportunity to get back. For example, please do not ruin your bridges. You might want to get back to that position, or you might need their help in the future.
Never burn bridges. Today's junior prick, tomorrow's senior partner.
And there is one thing that I want to ask you before we continue. If you like the video, please don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to the channel if you have not done it yet. The next phrase is under the weather. And we use this phrase to explain that someone is being sick or feeling unwell. For example, sorry, I cannot come to the work today. I'm feeling under the weather, which means I feel sick. Yeah, I am ill.
Now, as well as Mr. Sloman being off today, I'm afraid Ash is feeling a little bit under the weather.
The next one, I am broke. When having no money, this is the phrase that you can use to express it. For example, I can't go out today. I'm broke until I get my first paycheck.
Listen, you guys had better sound good, because I'm broke.
The next phrase is very common, especially on YouTube videos, when people want to get to the main point by saying, let's cut to the chase. Let's cut to the chase. Let's skip the details. Let's get to the main point.
Anyway, I will cut to the chase.
The next one, out of the woods. And when someone or something is out of danger, this is the phrase that can be used in that matter. For example, the surgery went well. She's out of the woods now. She's out of the danger.
She's not out of the woods yet.
The next phrase, spill the beans. To reveal a secret or tell the truth or to ask about something that happened and the person doesn't want to share with it, you can ask, come on, spill the beans. Tell us what actually happened there.
So I tried to get you to spill the beans, which you wouldn't do.
Come up with. Thinking of a new idea, solution, product, or technology, come up with means to create an idea, to create something new.
Well, some years later, I found out that man did come up with an idea for a t-shirt.
The next one, take it easy. And if you want to say relax, don't go harsh, no worries, you can say take it easy. You've been working so hard these weekends. Take it easy next time. Like, relax.
Take it easy. And stay off my side.
The next one, break the news. To inform someone of usually unexpected or fortune information. For example, it's never easy to break the news of a loss to someone. It's never easy to tell the truth or to give that, to pass that kind of information
No, you should break the news. You.
The phrase number 14 already. Down to earth. And it is more as like personality trait to explain someone's personality. And you can say, I am down to earth, which means that I am practical, I'm a realistic person, and I'm not a dreamer.
She's really grounded and down to earth once you get to know her.
And I think I am down to earth person. I'm not sure whether it's good or not, but please let me know in the comment section if you are a down to earth person. 15. Give it a try. To try something new or to give it a chance to try, you can say, I've never spoken to any English speakers. I give it a try tomorrow. I will try to do it.
All right, I'll give it a try.
And the last but not least, keep an eye on. When you want to be cautious about something, you can say, keep an eye on the kids while they're playing in the park. Like, please be more cautious, be more careful with them while they're being there.
I'm gonna keep an eye on them. You?
And that's what we had today. Thank you a lot for watching. Have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Click a like button if you like it. Ciao for now.